Hi, my name's Sarah LaSalva. I'm an RF Product Marketing Manager here at NI. Today, I'm going to show you how to do a calibration for the PXI-based VNA 5633 using our Cal 5501 Automated Network Cal module. I'm going to go ahead and do this in InstrumentStudio. I have it open, and I'm going to select Manual Layout to open a new project. From there, I'm going to scroll down and find my VNA. For me, it's in slot 17 of my PXI chassis. So I'm going to go ahead and create that large panel and get started. In the panel, I have an option to configure my system the way I want it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the number of points. I'd like 1001. And for my device over here that I'm going to look at later, I'm using between 5 and 20 gigahertz. All right, so that's all I needed to configure. And now I'm just going to go ahead and hit the calibration button. I'm using my electronic cal module, so I'm going to click that. And then from here, there's just a few things that I need to configure. So I have both ports that I want to set. This is how my cal module is named, and I want to use SOLT. And for my through method, auto is what there's a couple different options, and auto is what I'd like to use. And that's it. I just click continue. Verify that everything is connected properly. I've torqued down all my cables, and now it's going to run. And since this is an electronic cal module, it runs really quick. It's a lot faster than if you had to go through and do all of the connections manually yourself. And that's it, we're done. So, okay. Before I save, I want to make sure that I like my calibration. So everything's set for my cal set, and I'm going to click run. And there you go. You can see that our cal looks really nice and smooth. I'm really happy with this, so I want to go ahead and save the file. So I'm going to click on calibration again, and I have the option to save cal set to file. This is for my demo system, so I'm going to go ahead and just type in demo system cal. And that's it. I'm all done. If I want to go back later, I have this active cal set here. It's called cal set. This is just the one that we finished loading, but I can click here to load another from file, and you can see I have other options that I can try if I'd like to. But for today, I'm pretty happy with this one. So hopefully that gives you a good overview of how to calibrate your VNA module. For more information about the 5633 and our other RF products, check out ni.com. Thanks.